How to join or create a fantasy league on Sleeper. If you want to join or create a fantasy league on Sleeper, first of all open your browser and just go to sleeper.com, and you want to make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, this is the interface you will see. On the left hand side you can see leagues. Just click on the plus button that says create league. So first it will ask you to choose a game: fantasy football, fantasy LOL, or fantasy basketball. Based on what you want, select it and enter then simply the name of your league. Then once you've done that, you can simply choose the number of teams. You can add a logo and hit the next option. You can choose to create or start your new league from scratch, or you can copy from an existing league. If you want, you can select create new league, hit the next option. You can select your league type, so you can select a redraft, keeper, or dynasty, and the draft type also you can have snake, linear, or auction, and then just click on the create league button. After you've done that, you can see we have successfully created our fantasy league on Sleeper. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.